Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. Today we have for sale a 1999 Mercury 75 horse, 20 inch. It's a 75 EL HPTO tiller, as you can see that. 75 horse, 3-cylinder. Compression on it was 120 on every cylinder. Scoped out the cylinders, they look good. Lower unit pressure tested good. Comes with the prop. New plugs, new water pump impeller, new oil filter, no, it's 2-stroke. New fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and then clean the carburetors. So it's been ran, tested. This is an oil injected motor. We'll fire it up. We put a new fan system in to pull the exhaust out. So sometimes they will make the motor run a little bit different. So we'll fire this thing up. Let's put it in neutral. We're good. Pumping good water. You can see the smoke. We're going to kick that fan on. Makes the motor run a little different because it's pulling too much air. But other than that, the fan works perfectly. And the motor. Forward. Idles down. We'll go to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. You got a trim switch here up by the tiller handle. And then you also have one here on the side of the motor. Shut it off. The fan is loud. Good freshwater Minnesota motor. Shut that fan off. If you're interested, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. And if you call, you can ask for James Jr. Thank you and have a great day.